What's up, folks? How we doing? We are playing multiplayer VR ranked ping pong. I got the mic on, so only y'all can hear me. He can't hear me, and I'm just about ready here. Opponent is Eddy2015. We're similarly ranked. This should be a fun game. Get down. Okay. Oh, it's choppy. Oh, choppy, and there's a delay. I hope this game cleans up. Okay, first point on the board. Sometimes it takes a minute for the game to catch up. And its delay is definitely killing me right now. Oh man, get that up. Alright, I'm going for this guy's backhand. 2 points on the backhand. There we go. Oh, too far. Keep going that backhand. Oh, that's the setup I want too. Just like that. Ugh. Oh. All right, he got the first round. All right, so it's top spin, cut shot. Good shot. Oh. Too hard, got to get that lower angle on it. Jammed him. Come on, don't blow this game. There we go. That's what I want. That's what I want. There we go. Oh, good shot. Oh. God. Hey, good game. Well, that's one of those games where the lag was messing with me pretty good. The shot would go past, there'd be a delay, and then the shot would come back. So that was kind of weird. Oh well. Hey, Facebook, stop video.